video number 2. The first video I erased. Oh my god. I don't have... it's not my day today, yesterday also, but oh well. Hormones. Today is the birthday from my mother-in-law, and Patrick and I made a project together for her. So this is in her style, her colors, and she loves greens and red, so we tried to combine that. What we did was, this morning I woke up very early and I saw a video from Mixed Up Craft, and it is a large double display fold card, and it's awesome. She's got a complete tutorial with envelope, belly band, and etc. And Patrick and I made the card, and it's a lot of work, but it's very rewarding, I might say. The mother from Patrick loves a radio plays, and we gathered a lot of plays for her to hear. She loves to hear them in the evening when she goes to sleep, and we all burned it on the CDs, and I hope she will love it, and together with the card you will see what we mean. It's complete. So what we did was, there's a large envelope with Velcro, and it's all her colors, so you can make it in any theme you want. It's a little bit, it's bigger, so it's a bulky card, a big card. So yeah, it's very easy to do. Put a card in and then adhere it all. Okay, so that's the envelope, and this is the card, and this is the belly band, and we Patrick made the front photo, and it's found on the internet, and it says in Dutch, "Great news! There's it's somebody's birthday today. You are kidding me. Who?" he says. And we popped it up all on paper cuts. We used my dies, and all in the colors that she likes. Yeah, so you can do it in your own theme. I will definitely make another one because I love it. Maybe for my sister, it's her birthday soon. Okay, so this is the belly band, and when you open it, it's like, oops, sorry for shaking, it's like this. Oops. This is the second piece, and it says, "Het is Corrie, it's Corrie, her birthday." And I think this is James Stewart, but correct me if I'm wrong. It could be somebody else, but I think he is. And then you open it like this. This is the second far one. It says, "Oh gee, what are we giving her as a gift?" And he says, "I know something." Patrick made these all. I love it. And then you go to the other side, and it says, "Hours of fun of listening to plays, and happy birthday," it says in Dutch. Yeah? And these are all yeah, old photos from the internet. And then you can close it like this and like that, and you have a double folded display card. This is the back. We have to put our names on the back, and yeah, you can place the belly band again on top of the card like this, I think. So And here you have your large double display fold card. It's from Mixed Up Crafts. I put the link in the description box below. You can follow the tutorial. She explains everything very, very clear. And yeah, I hope we gave you some inspiration. And yeah, you can make a story in there. Yeah, you can. Or something else. Old photos in there from somebody. Or just another fun project. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.